Good morning to all of you. So, yesterday, what we have observed how the working of focusing anode. What we have discussed during last period is that four problems, four solutions. In the research, problem is there, solution is there. Because whole peoples who are doing project are concentrated there. Like that, we can do the research with the 12 or 10 students of the TYBSc and my physics department, all colleagues. With a best project, we should be given to our nation so that our Police College will be on the map, world map, maybe. But this is depends upon your work. Just I have given your problem already, but you have to think on that. Then you ask me what we have to do the next thing. I will give up. But all the concept is explained on that website. That is Super SID monitor system. No problem. You have no problem. Only you have to go through that links and understand that English by using a Google. Okay. Now the next part of this is vertical deflection plate. What is the potential applied to these plates? See here, to these vertical plates. Then, according to that, electron beam is displaced vertically. Last year, you are doing experiment on CRO for phase shift oscillator, Colpitts oscillator, crystal oscillator. The voltage applied at these plates, that is vertical deflection plate, the electron beam is moved vertically upward or downward. Suppose positive potential is applied to the upper plate of the vertical plate, then electron beam where will be displaced? I am asking question to you, my friends. This year exam is going to conduct, my friends. Next year exam will be also there. That is second, first, fifth semester and sixth semester is also there for you. So you have to see each and every lecture as compared to other colleges. Our college is ahead by near about 25 to 1 month ahead. In some colleges, just now lecture are started. Understand? So, be careful. So my question is that, my friends, suppose positive potential is applied to the upper plate of the vertical deflection plate, then electron beam is moved upward or downward. I want to give one clue. The property is that there is always attraction between unlike charge carriers. So my friends, as positive potential is applied at the upper plate, electron is having negative charge, then electron beam is attracted towards upper plate. That is along the positive y-axis. Now, instead of applying positive potential to the upper plate, if we apply negative potential, then what will happen? Negative potential to the upper vertical plate and positive potential to the lower vertical plate, then where will be displaced electron beam? My next question to you. Friends, now electron beam is displaced towards the downward. That is along the negative y-axis. The electron beam coming from the focusing anode is straight and a very high speed. But that high speed electron will be displaced vertically outward, upward or downward, depending upon which potential you have applied externally to the vertical deflection plate. Now, let us see the working of horizontal deflection plate. Horizontal means x-axis, vertical means y-axis. What will happen here? Let us suppose horizontal deflection plate to one plate, that is on the right hand side plate. In the diagram, positive potential is applied to the plate, and to the left hand side negative potential is applied. Then electron beam will move towards the positive x-axis. Now it is not a y-axis. Understood? Now I will ask you a question. Ready? Let us suppose we have to displace the electron beam towards the negative x-axis. What we have to do, friends? Which potential is applied to the left hand plate and which potential is applied to the right hand plate? Think on this for a fraction of seconds, because question is there, answer is there, problem is there, solution is there. You should with question and problem, then there is a solution and answer. This is the way of the physics. The new discoveries by scientists is going on like this. What is the impact of my PhD work on my lecture? This is the impact. My mind is changed to the research mind, partly and partly teacher now. This I am urging you or requesting you, or humble request to from me, go through that project, Super SID Monitoring System by Stanford University. There is a questions to you, answer is there. Go through that. You have to answer yourself. Then you will be best researcher in your life. So my question is that to move electron beam towards the negative x-axis, which potential is applied to the left-handed horizontal deflection plate and which potential is applied to the right-handed deflection plate? Answer is that where we have to move the electron beam, according to that, positive potential is applied to the plate. Here, we have to move electron beam towards negative x-axis. That means, my friends, the positive potential should be applied to the left-handed horizontal deflection plate and negative potential is applied to the right-handed deflection plate. Understood? Now, any unknown signal is applied to Y plate or X plate. Suppose the heartbeats of the patient in the hospital, the electron beam is displaced according to up and down by giving small beeps. In picture also you are observed that. Same instrument is used in the now in the hospitals. That is cathode ray tube. Okay. With this, I will stop this lecture, my friend. Thank you. Thank you very much.